tour time. This is Auckland Museum, which is a really nice old building with a stained glass arch. I don't even know what that is. This is a really nice old building, but sadly because it's an old building, they do not actually have any old lifts there, sadly. Yeah, that's right, they've all been modernised. Anyways, as well as that, they've even put a modern extension to it in 2006, which looks really nice, including this thing up on the roof. It actually looks like some type of circle dome room thingy, and that is actually really beautiful. And as well as that, in the old building, the atrium is beautiful as well, except I prefer that better because it looks so mysterious. And that's like in the learning center. And even better, you can even see where the lift motors are, which are MOL motors. And here is your map, which is looking okay. Actually, I think I've gone a bit off topic, and this is not actually a random talk. Anyways, now we go to the first lift, which is in like the old entrance. It's on the left side when you like come in. And this lift used to be an old Otis job, except sadly to be modernised into a Gen So. Let's ride it. Okay, this is the lift in. No lift. It's an Auckland Museum. This one is an old lift, modernised. Hydraulic. Lightning time. Free stuff only. Go to. It's been modernised into a Gen So. I thought this was hydraulic. And there's the Gen 2 chimes. Go to 1. We're going to turn 1 because we're going to be looking at level 1 exhibition next. Hard to find. This one's actually got place 2 Gen. And this one's actually similar to the ones that Sylvie Hutch should do. Actually, 1,000 kgs or 21 persons. Watch it go. Oh, it has a down chime, which is red. How interesting is that? That's it.
Are you going to ground as well?
Level 1? Level 1.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, that was not the Asian Gen 2 channel. That was a flipping. That was interesting. Here at ground. There's Mudgrass. Yeah, it's got 2 shines. That's a little weird. Let's go. And that's it.
And now to the lift, which is just across the hall of the lift I've just seen. And this lift used to also be another nice old OSIF. And they've kept the original Takeda on these lifts, except it's also been modernised, except this one might not actually be a Gen 2, I'm confused. Looks like it's been older, and it's got another rear lift with bell-shaped buttons. You notice buttons are so rare, indicator doesn't work. Yeah, rear bell-shaped Otis buttons. These are so rare to find. Like a rare find, and they put them in the museum. Lightning, tiling, cab, and will be modernised into an Otis Gen So.
We're going to 2, aren't we?
Yeah. Wait, this isn't actually a Gen 2, it's actually all of modernised to look like a Gen 2. It's called a Gen 2 mod. Going up floor 2. Not bothered to take the lift down. Yeah, there's no peeling on this floor. And that's it. And we are turning to the lift. So we got down for whatever that was. Just like a chime. Doors. Okay, don't listen right down to the ground. So it goes down the water right down. The ground, it's got to 1. Phone. For 2,000 kgs of food. And what happens this time? Oh, it says down. So it usually doesn't say this. Watch it go. That is it.
And in 2020, they modernised it. Yup, used to have bell span lifts, and now they went and replaced it with Duo, so now it looks like a stupid generic. Oh dear. And when it went, this lift was actually closed, but it doesn't really seem to be why it was closed, because the lift was fully operational. And yeah, on the inside, it just has now generic fixtures, so not really much point in writing it. I'll write it later.
And now we go to a hidden goods lift. And this lift has all those concave fixtures, except it actually has a generic LC indicator, so basically that makes it a boring generic hydraulic. And this lift is sadly locked off. And I actually saw this, and you can't actually see this in real life, except I actually saw this on Google Maps, so I had to screenshot this off. And this is on floor 3, where the lifts come out. And there was also a staff-only lift number 3, but sadly wasn't able to write it one as well. But luckily there was also another Gen 2. And just look at that panel. It is actually not actually connected to the shower itself. It's actually wires go via the floor. And this is lift number 3, a staff-only lift. They should have really made this public because the main is so extremely busy. Anyways, now let's go to the main lift, which are a set of 2 ocean Jews. And these Jews are extremely busy. And only lift number 2 actually shows the 2 basement floors, and it also has pointless glass. Lift 2 because it goes down to basement 1 and basement 2. These lifts are the same, basically.
There you go.
Then
Hey, then we'll go down to liquid.
no, let's go down to 1. Let's go down to 1.
Thanks
Thank you.
to that. One here. It's a great view.
You felt it, man.
Not this one. This is different because it goes down to basement 2.
This is really kept right.
Yep. Let's go. And that's it. Okay, so this has actually changed. Lifts now open up this side, and last time they opened up the other side, which is really interesting. Now, ground, where you can go. You can go up there. This is GR for ground. Now we'll get the next one. Yeah, because it's going down. So yeah, this only goes as far as 3. Yeah, which floor are we going to though?
1.
Oh, this one.
Is it 1 or
Nope.
2?
2.
Oh, 2. Hang on. Auditorium, level 2.
Yeah, 'cause-
Applied designs. What's that? Oh, I thought
Look
it was
at
a
that.
shoe.
Here we're at 2.
You can see
So
it
is this
down
one?
here.
Okay, here we are.
This is 2.
Oh,
And
this is good.
yeah, you can get to level 3 because there's some event place. Here we are. That was a 2. Go. And oh look, you can actually see lift shaft's partially glass. That's interesting. And that's it. And now to the only lift in the museum that is not made by Otis. This lift is a Schindler 500 with D6 fixtures. This is a really nice, it's definitely a different judge. And on some floors, the fixture will be replaced with D8. That's weird. This Chiller 5400 is going to ensure the express floor that those floors are locked. It even goes between the car park and the mezzanine. This is the lift at the car park. It's got D6. I was riding the car park lift.
Okay, yeah, and you're coming back up. How do you feel? You need to, because you're low, maybe you need to do another test.
I did, I'm feeling fine now. Here is the lift.
Okay, I think what we have to do is walk back, okay?
I'm okay with that. Lightning. Let's go to. So to go to basement. Here is the lift. Let's go back up the other. This one has D8. That's weird. It's D on one floor and D6 on the other. Oh, look. Yep, they want stuff on it. It's got a GM. Like the bunk beach, then the floor's locked. 160 kgs or 18 persons. We have mezzanine. Let's go around. It says GM. It's weird. It's not, it's okay, it says M. Here's the ground.
That took a long time.
Dad. No, Dad, it wasn't, so I just went down to the other lift, which is one. And now, that Shellfish Run doesn't actually serve the car park itself. When you get out of the Shellfish Run, there's actually this little gentle which actually serves only the car park floors. That is so weird. They should have actually made a Shellfish Run serve the car park itself. What a wasted lift. And this lift is another Gen 2. It's the car park, and this is a car park lift. So, let's get what it's called. Lightning time. Cab. Wow, that's weird. There's actually like a step lift for take you down to the car park, so you have to go down this lift that goes to the car park. Let's go to the ground. This is basically basement 3, apartment 2, and this is basement 1. And there, over there, you'll see the 200. Let's go.